Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GoPro Hero 8 Black and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this camera, sluggish or not responding or not working properly, maybe it's not connecting the way it's supposed to, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Just keep in mind you're going to need to set everything back up because it will be all wiped clean on it like it's coming out of the box. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're just trying to get back to the way this was when it came out of the box, it's really very easy to do on this camera. So all we're going to do is from the main screen, we're just going to swipe down on it. And that's going to open the menu. And from the menu, we're going to select Preferences. And then from Preferences, Reset. And then from Reset, Factory Reset. And then after that, we'll just have to hit reset one more time to confirm. So once we hit that, after the factory reset, once that second reset comes up and we hit it, once you hit that, there's no going back. Everything will be wiped off of the camera and it will be restored to its out-of-the-box defaults.